Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss continuous compounding formula, and we're going to talk about how to find time. So the formula we're going to use is t, or for time, is equal to the natural log of the quantity a over p and all over r. So what are the variables that we're going to use? So you have a is equal for the final amount, p will be the principal or present value, r will be the rate, and t will be the time. Now the natural log or ln, you can locate it in the calculator as this one, ln, just below the log, or it depends on your calculator. Okay, so how do we, how did I arrive in this formula? So let's have the derivation of formula. To find the final amount of any continuous compounding formula, we have a is equal to p e to the rt. All I have to do is just divide both sides by p. A over p is equal to e to the rt. And get the natural log of both sides. We have ln of the quantity a over p is equal to ln of e to the rt. Now, you may have noticed that ln and e will cancel out, and you're left with rt. They will be uh, here now. They will be brought down, and they're not an exponent anymore. So, next one. To find the value of t, you just divide both sides by r, and there you have it. So I'll just switch them, and t is equal to the natural log of a over p all over r. Let's move on. Let's have example number 1. Sora invested $3,000 in the account at 5% compounded continuously. How long will it take for his investment to turn into $5,000? So we are asked for the time, and let's have the given. We have A, or the final amount will be $5,000. The principal will be 3,000. R will be 5%, and T will be time. Now remember, you have to convert first the percent into decimal form. So that will be just divided by, okay, this one. Just divide it by 100. Divide it by 100 and remove the percent sign. That will be 0.05. Place the formula and substitute the values. We have the natural log of 5,000, so it's already color coded, over 3,000 ln of this, and the answer to that one, you divide it by 0.05. And the final answer, okay, you have to input it directly in the calculator. So that will be 10.21651248, and you just round it up. Depends on your teacher. We're going to round it. So that will be approximately 10.22 years. It's approximately because it should be like this. And has repeating decimal, I think. Next one. Example number 2. Riku invested $10,000 in the account at 8% compounded continuously. How long will it take for his investment to double? So we have the final amount will be double. P will be $10,000. R is equal to 8%, and T will be time. Okay, so how about this? You don't know the final amount, but it's just say double. So just get your principal and you just double it. That will be $20,000. Now, remember, the rate should be in decimal form, so just change it. That will be 0.08. And place the formula. Substitute the values. We have ln of the quantity 20,000 over 10,000 and all over 0.08. And you will get an answer of, just input it directly in the calculator, you will get 8.664339757, or approximately 8.66 years. And that's the end of the lesson on how to solve for time and continuous compounding. If you would like to comment or suggest another math and language video, or if you need help with your assignment or module, please just comment down below. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And I also have a Facebook page. I would really appreciate if you could also like it. I'll post the link below. Alright, so for the other variables like the rate, the final amount, and the principal, I have videos about them, about continuous compounding. All of them will be in the description box below. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification so you'll be updated on my future videos about math and language. Thank you and goodbye.